The mental shift you need to make is understand that the holidays can be a reason to generate revenue or it can be a reason to delay revenue. You have to make the decision which one you are going to be a part of. If you have any doubt that you can't generate revenue because of the holidays, it's going to slow your business down. People don't want to meet with me. People don't want to book appointments. That will become your reality. It's not a question of if, but just a question of how fast. So make that mental shift and tell yourself today, yes, I can generate appointments during the holiday season. I can generate sales during the holiday season. Don't allow this to be a reason for people to push you off into the new year. Now, when you're booking appointments during the holiday season, let's just state the obvious. Everyone is busy. Everyone. You're busy. Your prospects are busy. Your family's busy. Your boss is busy. Your customers. Everyone you can think of is busy right now.